Hello again, my fellow collectors. This is Red Apple 921 again, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to share with you a Funko Pop movie line. And the figure that I'm going to share with you is King Shark. The figure is based on the movie, the 2021 movie, DC The Suicide Squad. But before we do the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the artwork of the box. Here, you can see the iconic window display box of the Funko Pop. And you can see here the logo of the Pop movie, the title of the movie, where the figure is based on, number 1114, the 3D promo photo of the figure. Then King Shark 1114 DC Pop movie at the back, the other Pop that are included in this series, the full body or the full body or the full 3D promo photo or the full body of the Pop, top and bottom. For a quick and fast unboxing, let's do this now. Ta-da! Now let's take a closer look at the figure. Here you can also see again the iconic design of the Funko Pop, the big black round eyes and the big head compared to the body. But what I noticed again here, like the Hero Academia, which we previously unboxed, their head doesn't move, does not rotate. Overall, I like the figure. Let's look at the detail, like the color, the shade here, darker shade, when it comes to the front, it becomes lighter. I like the detail. Look at the shark's fin, so nice. Look at the smile. Look at the shark's teeth. King Shark is smiling and is waving. See, I like the detail. Nice. Look at the shorts, so nice, guys. Love the detail. Look at the detail of the gears. See, so nice. King Shark is one of my favorite character in the latest movie of DC, The Suicide Squad. By the way, King Shark is played by Sylvester Stallone, or voiced by Sylvester Stallone. If you have time, please see and watch the movie, and you will find King Shark as a funny character. So nice. Like the color, the detail, it's so nice, guys. But again, what I've noticed here, there are some pink flow, like this one. Look at the nose, see? I don't know if this is a scratch or an overspray, overpaint. But overall, I like the figure. It's a great addition to my collection. And I like this figure of King Shark because he's smiling and waving, you see? So nice. So I guess that's it, guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and God bless.